See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
All right, so have you guys seen the very disturbing news from FAN, the Federal Airport Authorities of Nigeria? Very, very disturbing and very terrifying. So FAN dropped a press release yesterday dated 15 March 2026. Let me read. It says, the Federal Airport Authority of Nigeria, FAN, wishes to inform the public that four suspected bandits were today apprehended within the vicinity of Akure Airport, Ondo State, following a coordinated security operation involving aviation and local security agencies. The arrest followed a distress alert that suspicious individuals were sighted behind the airport perimeter towards the Eleowo community. In response, security personnel comprising FAN, aviation security, the Nigerian Air Force, the Nigerian Army, the Nigerian Police, and local security outfits immediately launched a joint search operation. During the operation, some individuals were seen attempting to flee the area. Four suspects were eventually apprehended by the joint security team and have been handed over to the Nigerian Police Force Area Command for further interrogation. FAN commend the swift collaboration among aviation security personnel, the military, the police, the local security group, including Amotekun and community vigilantes, whose joint efforts led to the arrest. The incident further highlights the importance of strengthening airport perimeter protection. Consequently, the federal government, through the Federal Ministry of Aviation and Aerospace Development, with the support of the presidency under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GTFR, has accelerated the provision of modern perimeter fencing and enhanced security infrastructure at airports across the country. Work have already commenced in phases to ensure the airports under FAN are better secured against unlawful access and security threats. FAN reassures the traveling public and airport host communities of its unwavering commitment to maintaining the safety and security of all airport facilities nationwide. Signed, Henry Agbe Ribe, Director of Public Affairs and Consumer Protection. Now, this is scary and very, very disturbing. That bandits would come close to the airport. They said perimeter, they were close to the perimeter. The perimeter means like a fence. They said they were close to the airport. Only God knows what bandits will do for airport. Who knows? It has not been said. Who knows? Maybe they want hijack plane, maybe they do 9/11. It is very, very scary and very disturbing. But let me tell you what is more disturbing and what is more scary. Do you want to
just listen to what he said about this and tell me what you think in the
Let's assume that bandits actually enter. Go carry
what
one
this
plane.
person said about this issue.
God forbid.
What do you think? What do you think?
God
Just listen to what he said about
There were
this
more than
issue.
200 people,
Tell me
maybe
what you
100
think in
persons
the
in
comment
that
section.
plane. Then bandits come bomb the
See
plane.
what this person said
Or
about
maybe
this
bandits
issue.
divert
What
the
do you
plane.
think? What do you
Because
think?
inside this our
Just listen
bushes
to
where
what
you
he
see,
said about
you
this
get where
issue.
cargo planes they
Tell me
land.
what you think in the comment
Because all
section.
these our natural resources, all these our minerals them,
See
they
what
go
this
fix
person said
them.
about
So you
this
get some
issue.
places for Nigeria where
What do you
cargo
think?
plane
What
they
do you
land.
think?
So they
Just
can
listen
easily
to what he
carry
said
that thing,
about
land
this
that
issue.
for that place. Because
Tell me what
bandits
you
don't
think in
pretty
the
much
comment
secure
section.
almost everywhere for Nigeria. Listen, let's assume say they
See
land
what
that
this
plane, they
person
carry
said about
passengers.
this issue.
We're full
What do you
Nigerian,
think?
we're full
What do you
plane.
think? Just listen to what he said
Let's
about
assume.
this issue and tell me what you think in the comment
The
section.
scariest part is that nothing will happen. Federal government will not do
See what
anything
this
about
person
it.
said about this issue. What do you
The
think?
news
What
is
do you
not
think?
scary
Just listen to what he
as
said
what you
about this
expect
issue.
to happen after
Tell me
the
what you
news.
think in the
If to
comment
say
section.
bandits succeed, maybe hijack a
See
plane,
what this person said
carry
about
and
this
go.
issue.
The federal government will have still done nothing.
Just listen to what
That's
he
the
said
scariest
about
part.
this issue.
Let's not
Tell me
assume
what you think in the comment section.
that they go inside airport, bomb airport.
See
The
what
federal
this
government
person
would
said
have still
about
not done
this issue.
anything, and nobody would have been
What
brought
do
to
you
book.
think?
That's the
Just
scariest
listen
part
to
about
what
the
he
news,
said
not the
about
news
this
itself.
and tell me
But
what
the
you
government
think
will
in
not do
the
anything
comment
about
section.
it. That's what scares me.
See
That's
what
number
this
one and
person
number
said
two. Number
about
three,
this issue. What do you think? What do
I
you
like to
think?
take all
Just
boxes.
listen to what he said about this issue.
I don't just digest
Tell me
news the
what
way
you
I see
think
the
in the
news.
comment section.
I don't digest news the way I see the news.
See what this
Do you
person
understand? I
said
don't
about
digest
this
it.
issue.
It's looking like,
What do you think? Just listen to
Fine.
what he said about this issue.
on the
Tell
other
me
hand,
what you think
when I
in the
read
comment
down,
section.
it's looking like you people are trying to get budgets
See
for
what this
perimeter
person
fence,
said
which is
about
good.
this issue. What do you
It
think?
looks like
What
you
do
people just want to
Just
collect
listen to what
money
he
to
said
do
about
fence. So
this
now I won't
issue.
just do fence.
Tell me what you
Maybe
think
una
in the
don't
comment
they look for a way to present them to federal government so that una collect money and do
See
fence.
what this person
Yeah,
said
that's
about
another
this
thing I
issue.
noticed
What do you
from
think?
reading
What do you
it.
think? Just listen to what he said about this
That's
issue.
one thing I noticed.
Tell me what you think in the comment
Let me
section.
read that part. The incident further highlights the importance of
See
strengthening
what this
airport
person
perimeter
said about
protection.
this issue.
Consequently, the federal
What do you
government,
think?
through the
What do
Federal
you
Ministry of
think?
Aviation
Just
and
listen to what he said about this
Aerospace
issue.
Development,
Tell
with the
me
support
what
of the
you think in the
presidency,
comment
President
section.
Bola Ahmed Tinubu has accelerated the provision of modern
See
perimeter
what this
fencing
person
and
said
enhanced
about
security
this
infrastructure.
issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think.
Where's
in
the picture of the
comment section.
suspect, please?
See
Because
what
normally,
this
the way,
person said
like I said, I
about
don't
this
just
issue.
digest news the way
What do
everybody
you think?
digests
What do you
news.
think? Just
I will
listen to what he
chat,
said
I will
about this
check
issue.
all the box whether
Tell
it
me
makes
what
sense
you
to me.
think in the comment section.
Normally, if something like this happens,
See what this person said about
police,
this
they
issue.
first video those
What do you
boys.
think? What do you think? Just
In
listen
short,
to
now
what he
people
said
were mad.
about
All
this
those
issue.
Amotekun, some of
Tell
them
me
supposed
what
to
you
go
think
full.
in the comment
They say
section.
Amotekun dey say, mo ti gbé, wọ́n ti mú
See
wọn
what
o,
this person
àwọn
said
èyí,
about this
wọ́n
issue.
fẹ́ bomb
What do you
airport
think?
wa,
What do you
wọ́n fẹ́
think?
gbé plane
Just
lọ.
listen to what he said about this issue.
Come on, man, I'm not seeing
Tell
no
me what
videos
you
like
think
that
in
or
the
no
comment
pictures
section.
like that. For a joint operation where concerned vigilante, tax
See
force, and
what
all
this
these
person
people.
said about this issue.
I feel like
What
somebody
do
is
you
trying to
think?
just
What do you
cook up
think?
story in order
Just
to
listen
get
to what he
budget.
said about this issue.
You know, just
Tell me
create
what
panic.
you think
Then at
in the
towards the
comment
end, this is what they said.
See what this person said about this
Fan
issue.
reassures the
What do
traveling
you think?
public
What
that
do
the
you
airport
think?
host
Just
community
listen to what
of
he
its
said about
unwavering
this issue.
commitment to
Tell me
maintaining
what
the
you
safety.
think in the comment section.
Anyways, I feel like
See
this is
what
another
this
scheme
person
again
said
to collect
about this
budget,
issue.
make them chop money.
What do you think? What do you think?
Because
Just
this
listen
airport
to
is
what
not
he
like
said
that
about
since.
this
It
issue.
is a good thing if we
Tell me
have
what
fence
you
in
think
the
in the
airport.
comment section.
Because we, the travel abroad, they see their perimeter fence. It's very, very
See
good.
what this person said about
But
this
if this
issue.
money is given to
What
you
do you
people,
think?
would you
What do
people
you
use
think?
it to do perimeter
Just
fence?
listen to what he said
Would you
about
really
this
do
issue.
perimeter fence
Tell me what you
in the
think in
whole
the
state
comment
that have
section.
airport? It's also part of the scheme,
See
and I
what
don't
this
believe
person
this
said
people. I
about
don't even
this
believe the
issue.
story at this point.
What do you think? What do you think?
But let's say
Just
the story
listen to what he
was
said
true, what would the
about this
government
issue.
even do?
And tell me what you think in the comment section.
If they say they're bomb, what's the government will do? Nothing!
See what this person said about
They've
this
gotten
issue.
away with pretty much a lot
What
of
do you
things,
think?
you know.
What do you think?
Anyways,
Just
peace and
listen
love,
to
don't
what he
play.
said about
Play,
this
you're gonna
issue.
learn and you will learn the hard
Tell
way.
me what
Bye.
you think.